Are you trying to decide between Reclaim AI and Motion? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two tools to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both Reclaim AI and Motion are designed to help you manage your time better. They aim to organize your schedule and boost your productivity. But how do they differ? Let's start with Reclaim AI. This tool focuses on smart scheduling. It learns from your habits and preferences. It automatically adjusts your calendar so you can focus on what matters. Reclaim AI integrates with other apps, making it easy to keep everything in one place. Now, let's look at Motion. Motion is all about task management. It helps you prioritize your tasks and plan your day. You can drag and drop tasks into your schedule. Motion also offers reminders so you never miss a deadline. It's great for people who like to see everything laid out clearly. So, what are the key differences? Reclaim AI is more about automating your schedule, while Motion emphasizes task organization. If you want a tool that adapts to your routines, Reclaim AI might be the one, but if you prefer a hands on approach to managing tasks, Motion could be a better fit. When it comes to features, both tools have their strengths. Reclaim AI shines with its smart calendar adjustments. Motion excels with its task prioritization and visual layout. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both tools offer different plans, but in general, they cater to various budgets. It's worth checking their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you value automation and a smart schedule, go with Reclaim AI. If you like organizing tasks and prefer a visual layout, choose Motion. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.